Hello, everyone. Do you have a cash management system in your quilt shop? I'm not talking about a bookkeeping system like QuickBooks or something. I'm talking about a cash management system. Because if you don't, you need one because cash flow problems are, are one of the top reasons why businesses fail. So today I'm going to be talking about three simple steps or ways to managing your business cash flow. So please put your comments and questions and everything else in the comment section, and I will answer them as soon as I can. I'm Jacob Curtis. I'm a CPA and profit strategist for quilt shops. And to be honest, having a clear cash management system in place can really help you take the guesswork out of the process, and help you streamline the way you handle your finances. It really clarifies things for you and gives you a nice, clear picture of where your money is going and how you're spending your money. So today I'm going to break down those three simple ways to improve your company's cash flow and boost your chances of success. Number one, analyze your cash flow. First things first, before you can optimize the way you manage your cash flow, you need to know and have a clear understanding of what cash flow is. A simple definition of cash flow is the amount of money that moves into your business and moves out of your business. Okay. Each month, each year, it's just the money that comes in, the money that goes out. This includes money that's earned through sales, as well as the money and the outs of the money used in your operating and inventory expenses and costs. The best way to get a handle on your cash flow is by analyzing your inflows and outflows. Start by taking a close look at each of your revenue sources. These could include your e-commerce sites, your in-store sales, and your social media sales to figure out where your revenue is coming from. And then to get to your net income, you're just going to take out you're going to subtract your expenses from that revenue. So be sure to consider all of your recurring costs, rent, insurance, loans, payroll if you have it, anything that comes through, utilities. These types of investments and expenses are really necessary to grow your business and should be closely monitored because they're expenses, they're outflows. So since your cash flow can vary month to month, especially in quilt shops, we have those seasons of dry spells and we have good hiring months. It's important to really track all of your expenses carefully and to make sure that you have money and funds available to cover expenses and things during those dry and slower months to prevent any issues before they even come up and become issues, right? I recommend doing your bookkeeping regularly, at least monthly regularly, so that you are familiar with the ebbs and flows of your quilt shop, so you can plan for and adjust for that. And I also recommend to use the Profit First cash management system to optimize your cash flow. Profit First walks you through the series of steps to analyze your cash flow and tell you and give you basically a grade. It's not really a grade, but tell you where you need to be cutting back and where you need to be growing in your business. Number two is to streamline your payments. This is really important. There's often I work with quilt shops that have more than one way for them to pay, and not just way, but like system to collect payments. So once you have a clear understanding of your revenue and expenses, it's time to really optimize the way you process payments and bring those payments in. And all-in-one solutions such as Shopify or Like So are great options. They're both designed to help get the most out of the money that you're bringing in. Okay, they enable you to take payments easily and securely, either online or at the register at the counter. Number three, the last point, the way we're going to do this is manage your finances. I'm going to clarify that a little bit. Number three is to manage your finances. Analyze your cash flow and streamlining your payment processing are all important parts of cash flow management, right? But there are only a couple pieces to the entire puzzle. To fully optimize your cash management and cash flow, we suggest, I recommend taking a close look at how you handle your finances, or really looking at your money behaviors. Dave Ramsey says, and I agree with him, that cash management is 20% head knowledge and 80% behavior. Ensuring that your business and personal accounts are kept separate is an important first step, and it can avoid a lot of unpleasant surprises later, especially when it comes to taxes, which is often an overlooked expense, by the way. So allow Profit First to be your guide, okay? Profit First guides your behaviors and gives you guardrails so that you can have and maintain a profitable business today, a profitable quilt shop today, and as you grow in the years to come. Profit First is there to be your guide, your guardrails, your bumpers, if you were using a bowling analogy, to really keep you in line and in your own alley and profitable as you grow your business. So to get more information to learn how best to implement and use Profit First cash management system in your business, in your quilt shop, join Money Made Simple Academy for quilt shops by going to curtisaccountingsolutions.com/MMSA and join today. Again, that's curtisaccountingsolutions.com/MMSA. Again, the ways to improve your company's cash flow and boost your chances of success are analyzing your cash flow using the Profit First method, streamlining your payment systems, and managing your cash behaviors with Profit First as your guide. To get more helps and tips and tricks and things, go to curtisaccountingsolutions.com/blog. And make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. Just search for Curtis Accounting Solutions and we'll be right there. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.